Hi, I'm Larissa, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Spark's pass-fail grading strategy within a grade record. Pass-fail grading is a simple yet powerful strategy for situations where tracking completion matters more than assigning a specific score or letter grade. In Spark, classes or activities where emphasis is on participation or accommodations are great candidates for this grading type. To create a pass-fail record, first head to your grade section, found on the left navigation bar and the teacher side of the microschool version. Then either create or open the gradebook that you need. Within the gradebook, you can store grade records, including pass-fail records. Click Add Grade Record and give your grade record a name. Select the instructor and subject, and then make sure you have the correct students selected. In the Grading Strategies section, select Pass-Fail. You can determine if you want to enable GPA calculation for this grade record. If this class or activity needs to be included on a transcript, you will want to enable the GPA. And then you can also designate the number of credit hours. Then click Create Pass-Fail Record. Once your pass-fail grade record is created, you can start adding graded items directly in the record or linking assignment submissions to the record. To add grades directly in the grade record, open the record and go to the table view and click Add New Graded Item. Then click the plus next to each student's name to indicate whether that student has passed or failed for that item. You can also indicate pass or fail for each graded item in the student view. You can also add grade submissions on the student planner. You can go to the student planner from the left navigation and see all assignments that you've created for the entire school, or you can go into a classroom and to the student planner view. Once you've found the assignment you've created for your students, click on the assignment and go to the Submissions and Grades tab. Then click Select Grade Record, find the correct grade book and grade record within the grade book, and then decide whether you want to add a new graded item to your grade record or select from graded items within the record. I'm going to add a new graded item. Once I have my graded item linked, I can add grade entries for each student. Be sure to save your entries. These entries will now appear in that grade record. The final grade for each student, either pass or fail, must be entered manually. You can click the results cell in the table view to do this, or go to the student view and scroll to the final score section. You will then click either passing or unclick it for not passing. You can also add the number of credits the student has entered and their earned GPA. That wraps up pass-fail grading in Spark. Simple to set up and perfect for participation-based assessments or flexible grading needs. Thanks for watching. Be sure to reach out to our team with any questions or feedback as you use this feature. And take a look at our other tutorial videos or help docs to learn more about using Spark's grade feature.